Dent repair tool unboxing. Dent repair tool showcase. Rubber hammer. Comes with soft and hard hammer heads. Pull tab. Comes with pull tabs in different shapes. Tapping pin. Comes with different shaped pin tips. Alcohol bottle. Pull puller. Pull puller handle. Plastic scraper. Towel. Tools required for this dent repair tool to be provided by yourself. Hot glue gun. Hot glue remover. If not available, alcohol can be used as a substitute. Next, we will proceed with the practical demonstration. Using this vehicle as an example, we can use the hot glue gun. Install the appropriate blue pull tab. After the hot glue gun is finished heating up, apply hot glue to the dented area. Select the appropriate pull tab. The size should match the dented area. Then apply some hot glue to the top of the pull tab as well. Install the pull tab properly. Wait for the hot glue to harden. While waiting, we can assemble the slide hammer with the T-pull puller. After the hot glue hardens, its color will change from transparent to yellow or white. At this point, the hot glue has fully cured. Use the pull puller to repair the dented area. Align the notch at the bottom of the slide hammer with the pull tab underneath. Gently slide upward. The slide hammer will pull the dented area back to flat. After the repaired area has been pulled flat, we can use the alcohol bottle together with adhesive remover or alcohol to soften the hot glue and remove the pull tab. Spray it on top of the hot glue. Let it sit for about 1 minute. Use the yellow scraper to assist in removing the pull tab. Use a towel to wipe off any excess fluid. Check whether the area is flat or raised. If the pulled area is not flat enough, repeat the previous step. If the pulled area is raised, we can use the tapping pin together with the appropriate rubber tip to perform the repair. Combine the rubber tip with the tapping pin. Use the rubber hammer to repair the raised area until the surface is flat. After the repair is complete, the surface needs to be polished.